All right, this is going to be more implicit, but with this one, now we have fractional exponents. We're going to use our power rule. When I get to taking the derivative of y to the 1/6, that's power rule plus your chain rule. Remember, you got to have that y prime with it. All right, so I'm going to write it as 1/6 x to the negative 5/6 plus 1/6 y to the negative 5/6 times y prime. Remember, the derivative of 1 is going to get you 0. All right. I'm going to do some rewriting. So I'll take the negative exponent, bring it to the bottom. Take the negative exponent, bring it to the bottom. I'm going to keep the y prime right next to it because eventually what I want to do is start solving. All right, what I'm going to do now is take anything that doesn't have a y prime, bring it to the other side. So that's the 1 over 6x to the 5/6. Subtract that over. So we got 1 over 6y to the 5/6 times y prime is equal to a negative 1 divided by 6x to the 5/6. So this is what we're going to start with on the next page. All right, so I've got this point right here. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite what we have. All right, so we're at this point. This is what we had. Now what I want to do is I want to solve for y prime. I'm not going to divide because then I would have a fraction being divided by another fraction. Remember, instead of doing that, multiply by the reciprocal. So I'll multiply both sides by 6y to the 5/6. So that's what I'm going to do on the right side, and I'm going to do that same thing over on the left side. When you do that on the left side, you actually, that cancels out to 1. You'll be left with y prime. So y prime should be equal to, now when you multiply this right side out, remember, you're just going to multiply the tops of your fractions together, multiply the bottoms of your fractions. So negative 1 times the 6y to the 5/6, all over 6 over x to the 5/6. And then simplify that one more step. You can divide the negative 6 and the 6. So you end up getting a negative y to the 5/6 all over x to the 5/6, which you're done then.